Alright, so welcome back guys to a short update video to the micrograft tutorial I made a little over a month ago, because I think it's always interesting to see how these develop. Now when this one was originally grafted, I thought I hit the connection spot on, but after a week it started shriveling up so badly that I thought it failed and I would have to regraft it. Luckily I decided to wait it out, because a month later it started to plump up and pick up growth again. So it's always important to have a bit of patience with this kind of grafts, and unless the scion dies, there's always hope it will pull through. A couple of you might be wondering what the dusty look to it is, so here's a pro tip from me. I always like to give my grafts a small layer of diatomaceous earth, not because it's a great preventive measure against any pests that might be roaming around, but mainly because it makes it visually appealing when the scion picks up growth again, as you can see due to the cracks and the fresh growth that appears consequently. Those that follow me on my Instagram know that I'm a big fan of time lapses, so here's a short progression over 2 weeks. Now as this is just picking up speed, the final time lapse will be released when it's ready and a bit longer. And with that being said, that's pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this small update, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy cactusing guys, bye!